Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create content such as social media posts, lists, press releases, also how you can use it to learn, code, and write introductions. You can even create marketing plans and strategies. You can use it to translate different languages or write in different languages. There are all sorts of applications for this, even creative expression. So let's get started. You will need to go to the main website, openai.com, and create an account. And once you've done that, you will see up here on the top left, you can create a new chat, and they give you a few prompts of examples, and it tells us some of the capabilities. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to write your own. You will also want to proof closely as you're generating content to make sure it's spelling everything correctly. Let's go ahead and get started. On a Mac, you can use voice to text once you're clicked into the message area. On your Mac, you can tap the function key twice and it will open up the audio. As you can see here, my voice to text. So for this first one, I'm going to say, write me an introduction about how Camera Nursery is teaching people how to explore the world through the senses in gardening. And I could have specified how many paragraphs, or you can just click stop generating. And once you are finished with that, you can regenerate a response, or another powerful tool is you can convert this into another language. So let's say we want to translate this into Spanish. All right, so let's say we want to write a social media post. You can rename this previous chat right here. And let's say we want I need a social media post about how to choose a color for your bedroom and interior design. All right, so you can see it even added some emojis in there for interest. All right, so maybe we want to use this to help us with a recipe. What is a foolproof method for getting yeast donuts to rise? Okay, let's get some specific advice. If I were to start a bakery, how much should I charge for lemon blueberry scones? Okay, so that time we got a general response, which is very rational. Can I sell baked goods from my home? And do I need any health and safety inspections? Okay, let's get another list for music. What are the top 10 karaoke songs? All right, how about let's say we want to learn what are the best types of content to add to a landing page for an author? All right, so it said contact instead of content. We can also use this to generate quotes. For instance, what are some quotes by Carl Jung? All right, let's see how we can use ChatGPT to write a business plan. Write a business plan for Ashley Cameron Design to expand my reach on YouTube. What is an action plan for expanding my reach selling digital 3D packaging models and sharing them on YouTube. What are some websites where I can post 3D models for sale? All right, how can we use ChatGPT to write a press release? Write a press release for an upcoming graphic design Zoom meeting, June 12th at 5 p.m., and how people can use Photoshop to create social media posts. All right, how can we use ChatGPT to create a marketing plan? I need a marketing plan for a logo design company that specializes in craft brands and elegant luxury brands. All right, let's try another one for fun. So, my 9-year-old son is faster than me now on sprinting. So, let's look up what are some exercises to increase agility and sprint speed. All right, there we go. Yes, remember to warm up. Okay, let's say we want to create a list of goals, just kind of like I did with exercises, but let's say, what are 10 goals for my YouTube channel in 2023 featuring graphic design, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Dimension programs? What do you do when ChatGPT spells something incorrectly? Let's try an instance for that. Write a news article for Ashley Beidler Cameron winning a website award. All right, so right there is a misspelling. So let's say, and there we go. In this instance, let's create a list using ChatGPT. I need a list of 10 goals for my YouTube channel in 2023. And look, it even renamed my chat. That's the first time I noticed that. Let's use ChatGPT to write an intro for my YouTube channel. Write an intro to Ashley Cameron Design YouTube channel featuring graphic design using Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Adobe Dimension. Ooh. All right, so let's say we want to make this brief. Write a 3-paragraph intro. All right, there we go. Let's try one more about something with code. Let's do, how do I write a PHP greeting message for WordPress that changes by the time of day? Wow. So I actually already wrote a script for this, so this is really interesting to see. Oh my goodness. Very powerful tool. So something else I noticed as an instructor, there was an email that came out and it was saying there's some application that detects AI. So let's do a little bit of research here. What program can I use to see if content was written by an AI generator? Ooh, yeah. So I'll have to go back and read that email. But it did remind me there was something about Poetry. Ooh, let's do something with that. Write me a poem about spending summers on the beach and water skiing. Interesting. Oh my goodness. I'm curious to see what all type of creativity this thing can do. Anyways, I hope this video helped you understand and explore some different ways that you can use ChatGPT to create content. Very powerful tool to help you create social media posts, press releases, introductions, figure out code, and learn new skills. So if this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.